And now the baby is looking more towards us on this side.
Now I see the face.
And this is umbilical cord in front of the face over here. So just in front.
What's over here? Because I feel her moving here so much.
That looks to be the lower part of a leg over there. Yes, actually, that is actually the feet. These are the toes looking at us. So you're absolutely right. Those are basically the baby stretching out back there.
Yeah, she moves so much over there.